Okay, next the other part of speech. The first is articles. What is the definition of articles? Articles are a type of determiner used before nouns to indicate specify or generality. Articles are a specified type of determiner used before nouns to define the specify or generality. There are two types, and the first is definite or the, and indefinite or a or a. Okay, the example is the cat, or referring a specified cat, and a cat, or referring to any cat. And the for example is an apple, or referring to any apple. Okay, next, function of articles. Articles are a type of determiner that is used before nouns to indicate whether the noun is specific or general. And the first is defining nouns. Articles help to identify whether a noun is specific or general. Okay, A. Definite article. D. Specific reference indicate a particular noun, a group of nouns. The for example is the cat is sleeping. B. Indefinite articles. A and N. General reference indicates any one of a group of nouns. The for example is a dog is a friendly animal. Okay, N. N is used before nouns that start with vowel sounds. The for example is an apple is a fruit. Okay, and the next function is quantifying nouns. Indefinite articles can also indicate quantify, meaning one. The for example is I saw a bird. Okay, articles signal whether the noun is singular or plural, and whether it is being used in a countable or uncountable way. And the three function is marking specify or generality. Articles help to communicate whether the noun is a particular instance or general concept. The verb of the function is introducing new versus no information. Articles help distinguish between new information or something being introduced for the first time, and no information or something already familiar to the listener. Okay, next, types of articles. In English grammar, articles are a type of determiner that precede nouns and clarify whether the noun is specified or general. There are two main types of articles, and the first type is definite articles. D. The definite article is D, and it is used to refer to a specific noun that is known to both the speaker and the listener. Used with singular or plural nouns, and then refers to something that has already been maintained or is understood in context. The for example is the book on the table is mine, a specific book that both the speaker and listener are aware of. Okay, the next is indefinite article a and n. The indefinite articles are a and they are used to refer to a non-specific noun or one that is being maintained for the first time. Is used before words that begin with a consonant sound, and then n is used before words that begin with a vowel sound. A, E, O, U, and etc. The for example is C. The for example is I ate an apple this morning, or refers to any apple, not a specified one. And then general
with lines.
And then general with lines for article use the when referring to something specific or unique. Okay, use a or an when referring to something non-specific, particularly when mentioning it for the first time. Okay, next, determiners. A definition of determiners are words that introduce nouns and provide information about them, like possession, quantify, or definiteness. Okay, beside articles, this category includes demonstrative, this, that, and possessive, my, his, and quantifiers some money. The first example is this book is mine. Okay, next. The first function of determiners is definiteness, indicating whether a noun is specified or general. Okay, and the next function of determiners is proximity, showing the distance or relationship to the speaker. Okay, demonstrative determiners that indicate how near or where the noun is from the speaker in terms of speech or time. Okay, the for example is this car is fast. Okay, the next function of determiners is quantity, expressing how much or how many. Okay, quantitative determiners that indicate the amount, numbers of a noun. Okay, the next function of determiners is possession, showing ownership or relationship. Okay, possessive determiners that indicate that something belongs to or is associated with someone or something. And the next function of determiners is reference to unspecific or indefinite nouns. Indefinite determiners that refer to nouns that are not specifically identified and could be anything with a certain group. Okay, next of function determiners is limitation, restricting the reference of the noun. Limiting determiners that restrict the reference of the noun to a certain group or individual. The for example is each person has a role to play. Okay, and the last function of determiners is numbers, indicating exact amount. Okay, next, the type of determiners is articles. Articles specify the definiteness of a noun. There are two types, and the first type is definite article, D, or refers to a specific noun. The first example is the cat is sleeping. The cat is sleeping. Okay, and the last is the indefinite articles, a and an, or refer to a non-specific noun. The first example is I saw a cat in the garden. Okay, and the next types of determiners is demonstratives. Demonstratives point to specific nouns and indicate their relative location or proximity. And the first is this, or near to speaker. The first example is this book is interesting. Okay, and the second one is far, and the second one is that, or far from the speaker. The first example is that cat is new, and then this or near the speaker or plural. The first example is that cookies are delicious, and the last is those or far from the speaker or plural. The first example is those mountains are beautiful. Okay, and the next types of determiners is possessives. Possessives show ownership or relationship between roles. The for example is my, your, his, her, it's, our, their, and the for example my is my friend is coming over. Okay, and the next types of determiners is quantifiers. Quantifiers indicate the quantify of the noun the precede. They can be specific or non-specific. And the for example is some, any, no, many, few, several, or what. The for example some is some people like to read. Terakhir ini. And the next of types determiners is numbers. Numbers specify and excite quantify. The for example is 1, 2, 3, and etc. The for example is 3 apples are on the table. Okay, and the next types of determiners is distributives refer to individual items within a group. The for example is each, either, neither, and etc. The for example each student receive a certificate. And the last types of determiners is interrogatives. Interrogatives determiners are used to ask questions about nouns. The for example is what, which, and what, and etc. And the for example which is which book do you want? Okay guys, thank you.